Welcome back to another episode, folks. Today, we're diving into day 2 of the EOSC 2025 Summit, held in the vibrant MGM Grand in Las Vegas. Lots of exciting talks and sessions happened, so let's break it down.
Absolutely. Day 2 was packed with big names and cutting-edge ideas. Let's start with the keynote by Geoffrey Hinton. The godfather of AI himself.
Yeah, Hinton's conversation with Shear and Geoffrey was nothing short of legendary. He's spent decades working on neural networks, and now he's talking about AI's future trajectory. It's like hearing from the person who helped set the stage for everything we're seeing now.
Totally. He's not just a researcher, he's a visionary. It really gives you a sense of where AI could be heading in the next few years.
Speaking of direction, Emmett Shear's talk on AI alignment was another standout. He discussed how AI systems can act in alignment with human values. This is key as we move forward, don't you think?
100%. As AI becomes more autonomous, making sure it aligns with human intentions is critical. Imagine if AI starts making decisions that are completely out of sync with our values. Could be a disaster.
Yeah, that's something a lot of people overlook. Then we had Catalina Herrera, who gave us a reality check about AI's next chapter. She talked about the real challenges we face beyond the hype.
It's refreshing to hear someone tell it like it is. AI promises a lot, but the practical issues, data, infrastructure, and regulations, are the real hurdles we need to tackle. No magic bullet here.
Exactly. And then there was the focus on AI agents and autonomous systems. A lot of companies are exploring systems that can make decisions and act independently. That's next-level stuff.
Right, AI agents are a game changer. It's not just automation, it's AI that can think, act, and adapt on its own. That's going to revolutionize industries from healthcare to manufacturing.
Absolutely. And let's not forget the multitrack technical sessions. There were tons of discussions on everything from generative AI to data analytics.
Those sessions were packed with technical depth. If you're into RAG systems or machine learning ops, it was the place to be.
For sure. Plus, over 250 vendors were showcasing their AI products in the exhibit hall. You could see firsthand how companies are applying AI to solve real-world problems.
And those industry-specific tracks, healthcare, finance, retail, were so valuable. It's one thing to talk about AI in theory, but seeing how it's being implemented in these sectors is mind-blowing.
Right? It's all about the ROI now. There were sessions on how businesses can select high-impact AI use cases and actually measure returns. It's about making AI investments work for you.
Moving beyond experimentation, that's the big shift, right? A lot of companies are already scaling AI across their enterprises. That brings its own set of challenges, like governance and infrastructure.
Definitely. And speaking of challenges, ethical AI was a huge topic too. Conversations around responsible AI, bias mitigation, and governance frameworks are becoming more urgent than ever.
Oh, for sure. As we integrate AI into every facet of life, we have to make sure it's developed responsibly. You can't just throw a model out there and hope for the best.
Absolutely. And for all the attendees, the private networking app was a huge hit. It allowed people to connect one-on-one and make those key partnerships.
Yeah, it's all about those connections. Some of the best insights come from those informal chats, and that app made it super easy to schedule them.
So, wrapping up day 2, it's clear that AI is moving from theory to practical application. The conversations we're hearing are about real challenges and tangible solutions.
Definitely. And as the summit continues, it's exciting to see what more we'll learn about AI's evolution and its place in our future. Can't wait to see what day 3 brings.
We'll be right here to break it all down for you. Stay tuned and keep thinking about how AI will impact your industry. Thanks for tuning in.